This is a demonstration of how to use the rapid response medetomidine test strip. Warning: this test does not evaluate drug safety or purity. Note: humidity and temperature can affect results. Do not use after expiration date printed on the back of the pouch. Do not use the test if the foil pouch is damaged. How to use the rapid response medetomidine test strip. Set up the test at room temperature before use. Your kit will include individually packed test strips with microscopes, results interpretation card, and a product insert. Materials required but not provided: a 5 ml measuring spoon, a clean container, a cooker, and a timer. Read the instructions carefully before you begin. When you're ready to begin the test, dilute the drug in water. Add 5 ml of water to a clean container. Add 5 to 10 mg of drug sample to the container with 5 ml of water. Mix the drug in the water until it is completely dissolved. Refer to the advice of your local public health or harm reduction authority on how much water and drug sample you should use. Remove the test strip holding the strip on the colored end where MED is written. Do not touch the white section of the strip. Dip the test strip into the sample liquid. Hold the strip in the sample for 10 to 15 seconds. Immerse the strip within the wavy lines. Do not dip past the solid max line. Remove the strip from the sample. Place it on a non-absorbent flat surface. Start the timer and wait for the colored lines to appear. A negative result can be interpreted as soon as both the test, T, and control, C, lines appear. A result can be interpreted as positive when 60 seconds have passed since the control line has appeared and no line for that drug is present. Do not read results after 10 minutes. The intensity of color in the test region, T, may vary depending on the concentration of analytes present in the sample. Any shade of color in the test region should be considered negative. Results interpretation are printed in the product insert, on the results interpretation card, and on the back of the pouch. Positive result: medetomidine was detected in your sample. Only one colored line appears in the control region, C. No apparent colored line appears in the test region, T. Negative result: medetomidine could not be detected in your sample. 2 colored lines appear on the membrane. 1 line appears in the control region, C, and another line appears in the test region, T. Even faint lines are considered negative. Invalid result: control line fails to appear. Results from any test which has not produced a control line at the specified read time must be discarded. Please review the procedure and repeat with a new test. If the problem persists, discontinue using the kit immediately and contact your local distributor. After completion of the test, dispose of used test materials in the trash.